In this session, we'll be reviewing the JetInsight crew application, entering a discrepancy, reviewing MEL deferrals, and accessing the MSR. To enter a discrepancy, open the Aircraft Discrepancies module. From this page, you can see the status of each aircraft's discrepancies, checks, and general status. Select the appropriate tail and add new discrepancy. You can add a new discrepancy for yourself or on behalf of someone else. Add an appropriate title for the issue and any further details. Select Create. The new discrepancy now shows as an open item. Returning to the Aircraft Discrepancies page, you can now see that the status is updated to reflect both the discrepancy and general status of the aircraft. Through collaboration with maintenance, it may be determined that a deferral is appropriate. To add further details, select the appropriate open discrepancy. Here you can defer or edit the discrepancy further. The details of deferral information are found in the MEL, which is accessed through web manuals. You can do this through a web browser. Open a web browser and find the appropriate manual. Through a search or using the table of contents, find the appropriate maintenance item for further details. In this case, it's found under pneumatics and fuselage or wing loop faults. The appropriate category and details are noted here. Once found, these can be entered into the MEL deferral. Any operational or maintenance procedures should be notated here below. Once completed, select Create. You can now see the MEL deferral notated below. Returning to the Aircraft Discrepancies page, you will now see that the discrepancy and status has been updated accordingly. After selecting the appropriate tail, you now see that the discrepancy is marked as deferred. Open discrepancies or maintenance deferrals are notated in other parts of JetInsight. One of the primary areas you'll find this is under the aircraft status sheet. Here you will see the discrepancy deferral and status. The traditional MSR is found within the JetInsight website. You can see its status from within the crew application under the trip detail. Open the aircraft status sheet. And the first item you'll find is the aircraft audit. This is equivalent to the MSR and shows its current status. To find the PDF, open a web browser and go to Compliance. Select the aircraft checks from the menu and review the appropriate tail number. Selecting the tail will open a status of the checks, and the drop-down will reflect any available PDFs. Select the PDF to open and print as needed. This concludes the session on discrepancies, MEL deferrals, and the MSR.